My teen girlies needed dumbbells for dance, found this 2-pound set. Solid, no nonsense choice for their teen workouts. They're compact, they're easy to grip, and they feel balanced in your hands without being bulky or awkward. What I liked, 2-pound weight, perfect for dance conditioning, arm work, and their high rep routines. I like the vinyl coating. It is comfy to hold and gentle on the studio floor. The size works well for the teen hands and their controlled movements. Would I buy again? Absolutely. These are ideal for the teen dancers who need light resistance without sacrificing form. Great for warm-ups, toning, and endurance work during class or at home too. So if you're building strength safely and gradually, this weight set hits the sweet spot. Highly recommend this 2-pound dumbbell set.